It's another early morning as I get ready to make a maintenance run on the Landsat 9 GeoTour. Come join me.
Take exit 132 on the right to California 1, then take the first left.
One of our stops is taking us to the location of the original La Purísima mission. This geocache is having a little bit of trouble with bugs, so we're going to see if we can fix that. All right, actually for a geocache that's been out here for a year and has been found a lot of times, it's not in too bad shape. So, sprayed a little bug spray in there, and hopefully that'll discourage more from nesting. There were not any there currently. Here's the main purpose of this maintenance run. On this post, there's a really good gadget cache that's right on target for the topic of Landsat. Unfortunately, it needs to be repaired and it's going to take a little while to do that. So I'm going to put up a temporary geocache that I borrowed from the Ojai Valley Inn. So let's do that. All right, gotta say I'm kind of proud of myself. That went pretty quick and easy, and looks good. And got two padlocks. The first one pretty easy to get to. Second one you have to figure out the puzzle to get the combination to that, and pretty good little swag and some stuff down in there. So looks good. So we're here at the Dick DeWeese Community and Senior Center. Checked on the geocache. Lots of signatures in the log, but yeah, there's still plenty of room on that log. We'll just put it back and say that we did some maintenance on it, even though we didn't need to do anything except to check on it. I'm here at Ocean Park. My intent was to check on the geocache and put in a trackable, but there are people right there and I have to meet somebody. So I'm just gonna be on my way. And we're here at the Aquatic Center where really this is one of my favorite little hides. It's pretty easy to find the geocache, but finding the combination, it's pretty cute actually. And it looks like the geocache is in pretty good shape. The posted coordinates for the next geocache is this amazing mural. Let's go check on the final. So this is really kind of funny. This sidewalk has been completely taken over by child chalk art, and including the geocache, so it really blends in well. So no reason to go to the Earth cache, and the other cache was just found yesterday. So we're coming up here to one that celebrates Landsat's benefit to agriculture at a winery. And isn't that a cool container? Looks like it's in pretty good shape. Well, the last geocache we're going to check on is not really part of the GeoTour, but it is the related Adventure Lab. So just going to make sure the bonus is in good shape. Well, I'm glad I stopped by to look at this Adventure Lab bonus because there were some oddities and peculiarities, and I'm not going to get into it. But when I get home, I have a little bit of work to do. But now we got a good container out there in the right place, and so it'll be good for the next people to follow. But for now, I'm going to tell you, thanks for joining me.